So someone decided to make a tier list in stream today, and it very quickly got out of hand. I agree with Dathian being up there. I agree with Dathian being up there. Okay, new one. Dathian. No! Put Malteser up with Dathian, bro! We've watched so many Malteser fucking replays, right? Deadshot is definitely an A tier. Yi, I'd put maybe a B+. B+. Okay, yeah. Yes, okay, now this is the list that makes fucking sense. Why? Yo, I don't think it's wide enough. I can't see my fucking name, bruh. Teaser, Deadshot, yes. Yi, Nika, cause why? Okay, Meow, I agree. Why? Who the fuck is Mita, bro? Deadshot, yes, perfect. Riley, yeah, he's just god status. Riley is just god status. My double you Christmas. Boys, what the fuck? Wait, why have we got Minecraft? Dad. Alka. What the fuck are these? Yummy Yori. Ah! Eagle, bruh. The wolf. The Osu game files. Wait, what is the map in the background? Is that fucking too far? Or fuck's sake, why am I at the bottom, bro? Markiplier! Pornhub! What? Why have we got a forest? Getting chicken with eggs! What? Hey, Loki, I look like a